Okay, so in this live stream we are going to add Instagram support and features to our Chrome extension because initially I wanted to continue with the Solana hackathon project, but I'm still waiting for the Codigo support to come back to me. Or they already have, but it wasn't helpful. So I'm waiting for another answer there. Um, let's see what I want to keep here and what I can close and add some music. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can open Instagram now because I don't want to show my profile or timeline or anything. That's why. Okay, you know what? Let's just build the um, pop-up for now. Okay, this was closed. Then I want this gun. Okay. We are going to pop up and we are adding a div here. We are saying label input Instagram and say type checkbox ID Instagram and then yep, for now one feature only, and that's disable explore okay, so now into pop-up and let Instagram checkbox let toggle explore feed checkbox toggle explore feed perfect. YouTube, Instagram, okay, and then Instagram checkbox and update Instagram state toggle explore feed. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to put YouTube and Instagram into their own properties, so settings.instagram, but maybe we do that once the application gets bigger. That's nothing I really want to do right now. So let's check. And we have Instagram. Okay. And that's a redirect again. And for now, let's just okay, then let's where do we get these settings? Instagram state const toggle explore feed state, toggle explore feed, and it's toggle explore feed, yep, right. Then let's say toggle explore feed state and then Instagram state. So regex filter, okay, this is no, redirect. Okay, let's remove here. Redirect to, yeah. Okay. So then the else, bam, and this should now be working, I guess. So let's refresh and reload our extension. Make sure it's enabled, and then I will just blur my screen because I don't want to show my feed. Okay, we are currently on the Instagram homepage, and let's go to Explore. Okay, this did work because it's not a page load. Then let's just do a page load, Explore. And this still works as well, because why does that work? Okay, I guess the update dynamic rules then don't really do anything. So let's try and no, let's keep it. And of course the manifest needs permissions for Instagram. And then we add .instagram.com. Like that, and here as well. Okay, so then let's try again and reload. Feature is enabled, and then oh shit, my screen is still blurred. Okay, Instagram homepage works. Explore works as well by clicking on the Explore because it wasn't a new site load. Let's actually go to /explore in the URL bar. This still works as well. So is it because no www.instagram.com www.instagram.com. Then let's here. Okay, and we need to update the state once for the settings to apply. So what if we go now to explore? This still works because let's console log Instagram state. Toggle explore feed set. So okay. Let's then reload. Toggle home feed state is true. So toggle home feed state works. And why does it not continue? Toggle home feed state. Why don't we go into toggle home feed state true and no settings. So what if we do this, and reload this whole thing? No, not, and it's still so toggle home feed state true. Do we need to okay, it has it in the permissions. Why is this not all? And if you now go to Instagram, toggle home feed state is true, but it still does not lock the settings. If you go to explore, this works. If you go to explore like that, this works as well. And toggle home feed state is true. Toggle home feed state should lock the settings as well. Why does it not lock settings? Huh. That's weird. Can we... Ah! Okay, I guess it's not what gets locked here. It's locked from here. And here we have to, of course, say settings.youtube. So let's if okay. So let's update setting and you get now redirected, and if we click on explore we get redirected as well. So that's working, and this is actually not working. Can we say something like we not only want to emit this on okay, here we are listening to the changes, and then all add event listeners. Where do we hear? What if we do this? Explore. Okay, now we get redirected again. We can't go like this onto explore. That's working. Okay. And then let's actually remove the explore button. If Instagram if toggle hurry for explore, I think. Okay, this is completely messed up, the class names. This makes it hard. But it's href explore. So href explore. And that's getting the explore. Okay, nice. Toggle explore feed, and then we wanna explore feed dot hide it. Now we are getting a context invalidated, so let's remove this error. Reload. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I guess this always happens after reload, then we are fine with that. Let's go to Instagram. And we don't have the Explore button, perfect. And now I wanna do the same with Reels. So let's go to pop-up. Feed, disable Reels feed. Let toggle Reels feed checkbox, sorry. And yeah, we definitely need to do a function here for the event handler. Okay, so we are handling the settings, and now we need to go into content and say toggle Reels feed, and then it's Reels, you're right. And let's just add it in the what are you complaining about? Okay, and here let's just for now add it toggle no toggle, what is it called? Settings dot toggle explore feed state, and then this, and if settings dot toggle Reels feed state, yep. So let's do this, and no context or something. Yep, that's fine. Let's go to Instagram. Okay, Reels is removed, and Explore. And if we go to Reels, okay, but this should not work. This is working, I guess, because for some reason this don't works. Or this doesn't work. And why does this not work? Okay, for now this is explore only. So if we go to explore, now explore works again. Why does explore now work? Does it need? Huh. So, settings at Instagram, toggle explore feed state, and it's not state, of course. So now, this error is annoying. If we say no, yeah, bum, 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 bum. Let's go to Instagram Reels, and we are not getting redirected. Let's go to Instagram Explore. Here we are getting redirected now. Huh. What if we don't have these? So then let's dot Instagram /explore gets redirected /shorts no, it's Reels. Shorts is YouTube. Gets not redirected, but it does remove the button. Okay, I guess that's fine. And maybe another feature to always be on the following feed. But for now, I'm confused why we're always getting the error again. This should only be a one-time thing. After refreshing, it should be gone. Usually. So, let's build another archive. Why is this messed up? And say compromise and actually let's check the analytics if we have some. We have installed. It's actually Hong Kong, United States. That's nice. Ah, but we have uninstalled. Oh, so that's not so nice. Impressions, users, ratings, status, package, and we need to update the version, of course. Otherwise this won't work, so update version and say we need to do a new archive then. Compromise and upload new package. Let's actually have a look at our analytics. We should have some data here now. Yeah, part of. Can we say the events? Reason like US, Okay. Let's actually see if we get YouTube. So this feature still works.
The blockchain space is booming with opportunity.
This feature works, and we don't have to explore here. We don't have the shorts here, and let's see what's about Instagram. Let's go to Instagram, explore. This redirects. We don't have explore and RLC in the bar. So that's working as well. Nice. Nice. But I'm still annoyed because it loads, and then as the page load is done, it only then starts removing the elements. So apply settings, gets triggered periodically check, and no, periodically check to even use it. Don't even use it, so can remove this. Okay. I'm interested by. Can we say console log settings changed, apply dynamic rules? Let's try it on YouTube. for that we need to go to YouTube. So, what if we go to the toggle home feed state? We are never in. So let's actually say return. And no. Say YouTube. Okay, so this is basically useless. Receiving end does not exist in background. Query. Then I want this to work on Instagram as well. Okay, so let's see if this still works. YouTube. Okay, but that's my redirect JSON. The function was the check for home URL. Function was perfectly working. That's why I added the return statement to see if the dynamic rules work as well. They don't do anything. Please apply settings not only on change and make them work. Come on. Mm. Okay, let's say apply dynamic routes. And then can remove this whole thing and say apply dynamic routes. And then apply dynamic routes. So let's actually do not in here. Let's say no, let's actually let's do it in here. And let's say we go to YouTube. We do not get redirected. Toggle home feed is true. And YouTube is true. So this seems still to not be working. Console. Apply dynamic rules. Apply dynamic rules. Okay, we get here apply dynamic rules. But still does nothing. Seems like the wrong implementation of the dynamic rules API or the options passed are the issue. Chrome declarative net request. Declarative net request. Code, give me code. Getting. Okay. So. Is this all async? Get dynamic rules. Redirect 61. Get dynamic rules. Chrome declarative net request get dynamic rules. But get enabled rule sets. Declarative net request. Okay. So this is undefined. Chrome, but declarative net request. If I try to log, it's undefined. Huh. And we have it in our permissions. Yeah. Okay, let's add this to up ID 1. Oops. Enable true rules.json. So okay, it's did I delete it? The fuck? rules. Let's just call it rules.json. Okay. Must be a list, so then put it in a hello list. Okay, now you are happy, and then let's see if... Okay, so now the rule thing is working. Let's go to... and in Fear on a smaller screen it doesn't hide the home and shorts button. Okay, let's fix that later. So this now works, but I guess it works always. Yep, so how can we disable this now? Let's go to redirect and say else so should be able to go to the home feed, but we are not. Okay, so let's put this in the rules as well and say this is ID 2, yes. So remove, reload, and then let's go to Instagram Explorer, and now this works. So okay, so it works with the rules.json, but the rules are now always applied. This doesn't work. I need to disable and enable rules. Statische Regelsätze. Regelsätze aktivieren. Hmm. So what if I copy this? Home. But if I disable it, can I now go to home? Still not. Still can't go to home. This is annoying. This is annoying. Okay, you know what, let's just so I wanna keep this, but so apply and here I wanna say for now I just wanna get the API working. Dynamic rules, and let's see what we can get logged. So I want this. And this. So let's now okay. Huge. Cannot read properties of undefined reading get dynamic rules. So Chrome declarative just console.log Chrome. This should be Chrome. And now we have storage runtime. Declarative NAT request. This is exactly what we have in the permissions. Or is it? No. No typo. This is what we have in permissions. So I don't want static, I want dynamic ones. Statische Regelsätze. No. 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 So okay, this is actually not what we want. So let's remove this and say apply dynamic rules and say apply dynamic rules. So, and then Codebeispiele. We don't want static, we want dynamic ones. So we should be able to get this working. Let's remove this. Let's reload. And let's go to YouTube. And this loads. And this seems to not be a event listener. So let's actually just say this. And let's go to YouTube. We don't get redirected. And it can read properties of undefined. Oh, so this doesn't work. I wonder if we are on the right manifest version. We use manifest version 3. And API, switch to English. Manifest v2, we are on manifest v3, so declarative NAT request. Just to be sure, let's add this one. I don't know. It should work without. Update dynamic rules. Huh. And this is manifest version v3. We are on v3. Why does this not work? I mean, and we see we have the runtime and the storage API. We can access these, runtime and storage, but we don't have the declarative NET request. So, what if we just, to play around, add this permission to our manifest, and let's reload and reload. We still don't have what Chrome version do we have? Platform arc, context type. Can I find out my Chrome version? Declarative NET request. So what if we just go with declarative NET request? So still not working. Declarative NET request. This API does not exist. Declarative NET request is, so by that we should have permissions is it maybe because what if we remove this whole thing? Oops. And say, yep. Can we know? Nope, it's still not found. Yo, what the fuck? I'm confused. I have to look into this another time. Well, let's actually try Chrome dot runtime dot get manifest. We should have the manifest here, and it's in the permissions. So this does not make sense. I am confused. I'm really confused, but did we get an answer here? Nope. So let's actually end the stream and try this tomorrow again. Maybe we're have more info tomorrow.